Fel-Pro Gaskets are designed for the real-world environment to help seal the imperfect sealing surfaces found in the repair bay. From engineering to research and development to manufacturing and on-vehicle real-world testing, that's the Fel-Pro difference. And that's why professional automotive technicians trust and install Fel-Pro gaskets with confidence every day.
Designing products to be used by the professional automotive technician has always been the Fel-Pro philosophy. It starts and ends with a technician who installs our product. We accommodate their needs and provide them with everything they need to complete the repair and do the job right. We start by understanding the actual repair procedure. If there's anything that we can do to make things easier for the technician, we'll build that in. We design our Fel-Pro parts so we can put in unique features that work well in the repair environment with the right materials and technologies for the repair. We do on-vehicle testing to assure optimal performance in the real-world environment. We invest in the resources it takes to meet the needs of the repair technicians. We come to work every day with a mission to provide the best Fel-Pro gaskets we can. We work to protect the reputation of the technicians who install our product, and as long as we're focused on that, our customers will be happy.